Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin now by preparing the device and invoking recovery. Hold that battery above 50% and confirm a backup exists. That protects data if you must factory reset. Once done, power off fully, then press the model's combo, typically power plus volume down or volume up, until you see the bootloader logo. Make sure to remove any case or cables so buttons respond cleanly. If your phone uses a recessed button, keep a paperclip handy. You're already in motion. Next, navigate the boot options. You now navigate the bootloader to reach recovery. Use the volume keys to move through entries and press power to select. Select recovery mode and wait for the Android robot or the recovery menu to appear. Once visible, read options slowly. Wipe cache versus factory reset are not the same. Cache preserves data while reset erases it. If the device reboots unexpectedly, make sure the combo was held long enough and try again. Connecting to a computer can stabilize power during this step. Proceed to the action you need. You're at the decision point. Pick the operation that solves your fault. If apps crash or the system is sluggish, choose Wipe Cache Partition first. For persistent issues or unlocking, select Factory Reset, understanding it erases user data. Confirm prompts deliberately, then wait. Some operations take several minutes and show no progress bar. Once complete, choose Reboot System now. If the device won't boot back or recovery errors persist, consider using ADB, Fast Boot, or reflashing stock firmware. That one troubleshooting tip often restores a bricked phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.